A powerful magnitude 7.2 earthquake struck Japan's western coastline, triggering urgent tsunami warnings. Authorities say waves could reach up to 3 meters high, urging residents to evacuate immediately. The quake hit near the Sea of Japan, shaking buildings, halting trains, and cutting power across several prefectures. Emergency crews are already responding, but officials warn aftershocks may follow. Coastal areas are bracing as Japan's tsunami sirens blare across multiple towns. This is a developing situation, and the risk remains extremely high. Like, share, and subscribe for rapid updates.